So as you guys know, we're having a baby.
And we wanted to let you guys know some of the names that we were thinking of.
So the first thing we thought of is base times height divided by 2. We really like that name because we can nickname our kid Base since they're the base of our new family and love for each other.
Huh, babe? Another name that we were thinking of was Global Positioning System, GPS for short, because without this child, we'd be really lost.
Exactly. Having a kid really helps you find your way. The third name we thought of is Accident. Because even though this kid was an accident, our love for each other isn't.
Aw, babe, that's so deep.